Hey guys, this is Kaz over at Flair Auto Group. Here we got a 2017 Ford Edge SEL. We're just gonna do a quick video walk around and start it up for you guys. Now this thing has 130,000 miles on there. It also came with a green title. It's in really good condition. It makes you feel good when you sit in it. Also looks good on paper and off paper, so I think you guys will be happy overall. Now, if you guys have any additional questions, please don't hesitate to call us. The purpose of the video is just to do a quick startup of the vehicle for you. Let's go ahead and show you guys the back of the vehicle. Lots of space for a small SUV. Even leg space and just overall space for the mid row, or I guess the back row in this case, is phenomenal. And as you guys can see, quite a space in the back. So if the storage is important for you and you're looking for a smaller SUV, this could be a really good contender for you guys. Keyless entry on all four doors. Black leather interior all around. You get heated exterior mirror with this vehicle. Power driver seat with the lumbar support. And a push to start. $130,000 miles. Guys, I'm sorry, the quality of my cameras, I guess, is going out. It's starting to cause a bit of blare. Folks, thank you very much for tuning in. If you guys have any questions about this vehicle, do not hesitate to reach out, and I'll be more than happy to assist you guys. Thank you.